You should say welcome to the ruins. Yeah, hi guys, we're in Bacolod. And we're here in the ruins.
Sa kanila doon, reject daw yun. Kita nga rin ka, daming siwang na. Di ginatag ko marunga TV nga din niya. Kanya rin, sininspect na nga ito.
Oh.
Ayan, dadagyayan.
Ewan ko, maybe straight. Then I'll take your photos there. Ah, oh, it's like here. It was beautiful. Wow.
Spanish, huh?
Yeah. Hindi makita. Maybe you should carry my bag. Because so I can take video. We should take photos. Yeah, that tree is really nice, that one. Oh, thank you, Kai. We take our photos. Nag-video ko para on YouTube. Ay!
Sa ano yan, ang tower yan.
We thought it was a tree.
Yeah, it's a tower.
It's actually, that one is not a tree. I'm sorry. It's a tower.
It's a tower, yeah. This mansion owned by Gonzaga, colonized by Japanese. When the Spaniards came here, the Japanese military, they burned this house almost 3 days.
Wow.
This building made from egg yolk, mixed by the egg yolk.
Egg yolk? Oh?
Yeah. You can get inside. You can
Yeah.
see the.
Where are you, Kulin? Hala, Kulin, that mansion.
Picture that gives you the history.
Yeah.
That way.
No, this is the ruins. World War II, 1942. Colin, we thought it was a tree, but it wasn't. It's a...
Photograph here.
You went there? Okay. Going inside to the ruins mansion. They have events. Hello, may chandelier. I mean, gumagana po yung chandelier nila. They will have gatherings here later. This is the inside. They get something available at the See? Si ma'am?
Especially those living in established settlements of Europe, saw the opportunity to expand their affluence and influence. Lucio Lacson and his wife, Clara Ledesma, were from the Molo district of Iloilo. They too migrated to Ramos, to the western side of the island.
Yung ganda ng ano nila. Ang ganda ng... parang bato siya. Yun hindi naman to tiles, no? Parang bato.
Here, they settled in Talisa. In this new village,
Sila yung mag-asawa may-ari nito?
Yan.
Sino yan?
Si Lacson. Yan si Braga.
Oh.
Yan ang history nila.
So, mayaman sila dati. Sobrang yaman. Kasi mansion nga.
Don
No?
Mariano, Lacson, yan. Yan ang mga
Ang ilang family.
marami man kasi
Colin, maybe we should take a photos here.
he's the,
Ah, that's the
owner.
construction, no?
The owner of this house. The mansion.
Ano na to? Belong na ni sa government?
No, private to.
Ah, private.
Private. Owned by Lacson. Lacson here.
Atong
relatives
kuan?
niya, the governor.
Ay, may, ang ganda, oh. Si GMA, oh. May 2009, no? Visitor rooms. Yun lang, bye-bye.